Welcome. In today's video, we're going to look at how to back up only new photos using camera uploads on Dropbox. If your phone storage is getting tight or you just want a clean, organized cloud backup, this quick guide will show you how to keep things simple and efficient. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your device. Once you're in, head to your camera uploads folder. This is where Dropbox automatically saves the photos and videos from your device whenever you set up camera uploads. Next, we'll adjust a few settings so that Dropbox only backs up new photos, not ones you've already uploaded before. Go to your app's settings. To do that, tap on your account icon or the menu button, depending on your phone, then scroll until you see the option called Camera Uploads. Once you tap on Camera Uploads, you'll see several options for managing how your photos are backed up. Here's where the magic happens. Look for the section labeled Backup or Upload From and select New Photos Only. Choosing this option tells Dropbox to skip any photos that are already stored in your camera uploads folder. It'll only back up the most recent pictures you've taken since your last upload. This keeps your backup fast, saves storage space, and avoids duplicate files cluttering your folder. After you've made that selection, Dropbox will automatically start detecting and uploading only the newest photos from your device whenever it's connected to Wi-Fi or charging, depending on your preferences, and that's it. With just a few taps, you've set up Dropbox to handle your new photos automatically and efficiently. It's one of the easiest ways to make sure your memories are safe without wasting time or space on duplicates. If you found this helpful, don't forget to keep your app updated so you always have the latest features and improvements. Thanks for watching.